Terra was launched in December 18th, 1999. In this presentation, I will be talking about payload and thermal systems in the Terra Satellite. The payload includes 5 sensors. These sensors monitor Earth's environment and the continuing changes in the Earth's climate system. The sensors include ASTER, CERES, MISR, MODIS, MOPITT. Each sensor is designed to measure different properties of Earth. ASTER is an Advanced Spaceborne Thermal Emission and Reflection Radiometer. This sensor was created by the Japanese to collect high-resolution images of the Earth in 14 different bands of electromagnetic spectrum, ranging from visible to thermal infrared light. The ASTER data is used to create detailed maps and land surface temperature, reflectance, and elevation. This image shows the temperature differences between separate elevations in land features. Suppose this land feature is a mountain. CERES is clouds and the Earth's radiant energy system. CERES is an instrument created by NASA, which is a climatological experiment from the Earth's orbit. CERES products includes both solar reflected and Earth emitted radiation from the top of the atmosphere to the Earth's surface. Cloud properties are determined using simultaneous measurements by other EOS and MPP instruments. This image shows the instrument measuring and analyzing the clouds of the Earth. MISR is a multi-angle imaging spectral radiometer. MISR is a scientific instrument created by NASA which is used to measure the intensity of solar radiation reflected by the Earth system. Data generated by this sensor have been proven useful in an assortment of applications, including atmospheric sciences, climatology, and monitoring global process. A spectroradiometer is an instrument designed to measure the spectral power distribution of illuminance. This image of MISR shows it measuring the 2D and 3D terrain using the solar radiation. MODIS is the Moderate Resolution Imaging Spectroradiometer. MODIS captures data in 36 spectral bands ranging from wavelength from 0.4 meters to 14.4 meters, and at varying spatial resolutions. 2 bands at 250 meters, 5 bands at 500 meters, and 29 bands at 1 kilometer. In 2 days, MODIS images the entire Earth. They're designed to provide measurements in large-scale global dynamics, including changes in Earth's cloud cover, radiation, and process occurring in the oceans, on land, and in the lower atmosphere. MOPITT is measurements of pollution in the troposphere. The instrument is designed to monitor changes in the pollution patterns and its effect in the lower atmosphere of the Earth. It measures the intensity of the pollution around the area of the troposphere. This image shows the different pollution levels in all parts of the world. Even though this data is from 2000, it's still very recent, and you can see that mostly in cities there is more pollution. The thermal system in Terra includes a protective wall that doesn't let harmful radiation strike the satellite's target. It uses reflective material to reflect the harmful radiation from the sun. The reflective material also reflects unwanted interception of other networks. Radiation from the sun. Radiation from the sun is electromagnetic waves ranging from infrared to ultraviolet rays. The electromagnetic waves can cause a disruption between communication and the satellite. These waves can also cause malfunction to the equipment on the satellite itself. Terra uses a cooling system made by Northrop Grumman under the contract to JPL. The cooling system makes sure the excess heat from the solar panels doesn't melt the payload instruments.